What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, by the title, you can tell that we are doing a closure sew-in. I've already did her braid down. I already sewed on her stocking cap and sewed her closure on. Then the front is not down, and y'all can see that later on in the video. But right now, I'm just sewing her. She has 3 bundles, and they are all straight. The length is 22 and 24 inches. And like I said, I'm just sewing the tracks, the wefts into her hair, and I will be doing the fold over method, as you can see in the video as well. And this is, I ain't gonna say a tutorial, but you can see this style from start to finish. And if y'all want more details, just leave a comment down below, and I'll have that video posted for y'all. But I'm gonna let y'all watch the video. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'll come back every now and then and explain what I'm doing. But right now, just watch me sew in her weft. So now it's time to press it out, and I'm using the Remington flat iron. My temperature is on 410 or 430, and you just want to, I ain't pressing in no special type of way. I just grab sections, and I do 2 passes to the roots and 1 pass all the way down, and I'm gonna just continue to do that. I'm using to press her hair is some herbal essence, holding spray, and some oil-free wig shine. It's the kind that smell like cotton candy, and most of it is beauty supply products or something I picked up in a store. I don't really care too much for professional products. I mean, and if something work, it just work. So that's how I am. Yeah, trust the maid, holding spray, and oil-free wig shine. Now, when it comes to the closure, I always press the roots first and use like a wax stick, and then I go back and press the ends. I get my roots straight first and then press the ends. Alright, so now we are finishing up, just doing the baby hairs. Y'all don't mind the kids in the back. They've been here with me all day. So at this point, they ready to go. So they all over the place, and I understand where they coming from. But I'm just doing her baby hairs. I don't normally use the curling iron, which I probably should start using the curling iron to press the baby hairs. Sometimes I feel like I need one, and sometimes I don't. Like the hairs are soft enough to shape by itself, but she don't want a whole lot of baby hairs. I just gave her a baby hair on each side of her closure, and then I'm gonna do her hair combed over into her face just a little bit. Y'all, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below, and y'all just stick around for the next video.
Brand new honey.